Hey, my name is James Kazin. I'm an onboarding specialist for Vincere Trading, and I also am heading up our tech support team. My goal working with Vincere is to be able to make these algorithms and everything that we're doing alongside not only prop firms, but also with cash accounts to make everything accessible to a wide range of people, whether you have trading experience or not. Our goal is to empower everybody to be able to use these trading algorithms and also to be able to leverage something like a prop firm where you can essentially not have to leverage much of your own money in order to see success, profits yourself. So, with that being said, my background, I have been living in Austin, Texas, and working for a couple different companies, but essentially always utilizing customer success and implementation as kind of the region I work in. With that being said, taking my background with customer success, your success is what is first in mind, right? So our goal is, of course, to make this accessible to everybody, but also make sure you feel comfortable during your onboarding process, post onboarding, that it's very clear what you'll be doing, as well as being able to have clear steps to success. So that's a little bit about my background and what I do. The most important part about all of this, though, for me, is that this is a system that can work for everybody. So I myself also run the algorithms, and I have also gotten payouts from prop firms. So with that being said, I am very comfortable working with Vincere and being able to highly recommend this to everyone that comes in and confidently say, if someone with limited trading experience like myself can come through and run the algorithms, receive some payouts, I think that pretty much everyone that comes through has the ability to do this as well. So with that being said, I look forward to potentially working with you and having you as a part of the Vincere team.